Hello. This is Andy from printernotprinting.com. Today I will teach you how to manually connect your wireless printer to your computer to fix your printer offline issue. Make sure you have your printer IP address. You can get it from your printer by clicking this icon on your printer screen. Your printer IP address is a set of numbers that looks like these. Once you have your printer IP address with you, go to your desktop and navigate to your taskbar and click on the search icon. Type in Run. Choose the Run application on top. It will open a small window. Type in Control Printers. Then click the OK button. It will open your Devices and Printers window. Remove your printer first from your list of printers. Right-click your printer icon and name, then click Remove Device. Find the phrase Add a Printer on top of the window. Click it. It will open a new window. Choose the option that says the printer I want is not listed. It will open another window. Choose the option Install Printer using TCP/IP address or hostname. Then click on Next. On the next window, change the device type to TCP/IP device. On the host name, enter your printer IP address. Make sure you check the box that says Query the printer and automatically select the driver to use. Then click on Next. It might take a while to connect, but it will as long as you enter the right printer IP address. After it connects, click on Finish and try printing a document. Thank you for watching. For more printer guides and troubleshooting help, feel free to visit our website printernotprinting.com.